Welcome to Johnson's 3 Creations Toys Life.
Hi! Before we open the iPhone, please subscribe. Subscribing helps us make more fun videos for you. Our goal is to hit 100 subscribers by the end of this month, so please subscribe. Have you clicked it yet? I'm sure you did. Now let's start the video.
Wow! It's a big, beautiful rectangle, just like me!
It's so shiny.
I'm so excited!
What's so special about it?
Well, we've got this phone because it has a better camera than the one we've been using. We got it so we can make better quality videos for our friends at home.
Wow, now I get it. That's awesome.
I heard that this iPhone is more fragile than the others.
What? And it costs that much?
And I saw a video where a guy cracked his phone.
On purpose?
Yep.
What? I would never break my phone on purpose. That's ridiculous.
Don't worry, guys. We'll get a phone case.
Maybe we could get one with emojis on it. How about one with music notes?
How about we get one with me on it? Because I'm so handsome and I'm just the right shape. I don't think you're popular enough to be on a phone case, 18. Guys! We should get one with a soccer ball on it.
This cord came with the phone. To actually charge the phone, though, you need an adapter. We had to buy it separately for around $19.
What? That's crazy! We've got a phone case and a screen protector. It says that if this phone with this case on drops from 21 feet, it won't break. I'm not sure if I believe that, but I'm not gonna try and find out.
This is a picture of me on our current device. And this is a picture of me on our new iPhone. I know which one I like better. We are going to be filming awesome videos on our new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So please like and subscribe for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.